point of order should be sustained so that we can vote.
Thank you. Your point of order is sustained. Our big neck should wear a red cap for recognition, immediate recognition.
Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I remain Honorable Akarachi Orishema Tosa Etiosa Amadi. Mr. Speaker, I rise to speak on this bill that I deem is a must for this House to support. Mr. Speaker, I speak to you not just as a member representing Mbitoli Keduru Federal Constituency of Imo State. Mr. Speaker, I speak to you as a Nigerian youth. I speak to you as someone that has gone through the electoral process, someone that has been sent by his people. And I believe that one of the pre-qualifications to run for any elective office is you must have your voter's card. I believe one of the pre-qualifications to have more youths in government and in offices is that you must be a registered voter and you must understand the system. If we do not mandate our citizens, our brothers and sisters to come out and try out the system by means of their right to vote, how do we encourage them to even come and join us in political offices? So this bill is coming at the right time. A time where Nigerians are looking to this 10th house to let the playing field be level for inclusion, for everybody in every corner of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to come out and exercise their voting rights. Mr. Speaker, there has been some wrongs in the past that has made Nigerians not comfortable with the political system. But I believe that there must be a day that will mark the day of change. And I believe that with this bill, seeking to make it mandatory for our brothers, our sisters, our sons, our children, our fathers, those that for some reason before now have had apathy to come out to vote, to say that it is time. We are being mandated by our representatives to make sure that we register to vote and we exercise that right to vote. We must lend our voice. We must support this bill because this bill is one that stands for democracy of Nigeria. This bill is one that stands for fairness for every quarter, every demographic that has reached the legal age to vote to come out and vote. So, Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I, Engineer Karachi Amadi, representing the people of Mbitoli Keduru Federal Constituency, lend my voice and support this bill. I so support Mr. Speaker. Thank you very much.
But you are not wearing a red cap now. Unless if you accept that you will wear red cap on Tuesday. Order. No, let's allow him. I made a promise. Let me keep it.
Thank you very much.
But please be brief.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Speaker, Eset is my name, speaking for the good people of Uyo, who ran Nsiratai and Ibesiposutan Federal Constituency. The only state, from Akwa Ibom State, the only state you can see in the Nigerian space flying. Mr. Speaker, while I thank you and other sponsors of this bill, that is a good bill, it's a wonderful one, but I have some reservations, Mr. Speaker. We are trying to put something on nothing. It's not the problem mandating citizens to vote. There is no problem making it compulsory for citizens to vote. But a situation where citizens have lost confidence in their vote, it becomes a problem, a very serious problem. And as such, Mr. Speaker, while we are making a law to make voting compulsory, we should also make a law that will make the votes of citizens count. The last election, Mr. Speaker, we can all say without shying from the truth, INEC chairman and all the INEC officers went around the country carrying out campaigns that their vote will count, giving all set of promises, and at the end, we saw something else. So while we are
Mr. Speaker.
the mandatory voting,
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
let us do the needful.
Where's your point of order?
Yes, please. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, our debates have rules. Mr. Speaker, these rules are found in Order 9. And it is these rules that will make us deliver on the subject matter the way the House expects us to talk when it comes to issues before the Parliament. This, again, is way outside the letters and the spirit of Order 9.1 sub 4. We must confine our debate to the subject matter. Mr. Speaker, with due respect, this debate, once again, is outside the scope of the expectation of Order 9.1 sub 4. So let us restrict ourselves. And if you can, Mr. Speaker, put the question. Thank you.
Thank you.
Point of order. Point of order.
Thank you. What he's saying is not too far away from the subject matter. It's just that we need to understand that for us to deepen democracy and extract the commitment of people, we have to make them part and parcel of the election process.
Point of
Not
order.
everyone has that responsibility of feeling himself that he is part of the election, either for or against every leader. Once you have that, it will create more consciousness and more commitment to whatever you do. And you hold your leaders more accountable. So please, what you have said is noted. And I'm happy that you didn't say it is not a good thing to do. It's just that you are saying you do not see, you have observed that a lot of people have lost confidence in the country. And this is one of the areas that we can restore the confidence of people. Because if you know truly you participate in election, you'll be more committed to the leadership and you hold the leaders accountable for that vote that you have given them. So thank you for the observation. It is noted. Honorable Gali, you are the last one that will consider.
I represent Alabasuga Federal Constituency, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'm from Kano State. Mr. Speaker, I would like to thank the mover of this bill. This is one of the best and unique bill we ever had in this year. Mr. Speaker, in other climate, they have simplified the way of voting, and everybody participated by simplifying it. You can vote from your home. But I will add to tell our electoral commission to also simplify the way we vote so that people will be motivated to participate in that voting. At the same time, Mr. Speaker, I'm of the view that people must participate. We have to compulsorily make people to vote. In fact, we have to even add to reprimand those ones that are intentionally absconding from voting. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you very much, Dr. Gali, for your contribution. Those against you say nay. The ayes have it. This bill is referred to the Committee on Electoral Matters for further legislative action.